Hi everyone, this is Sandy. Welcome back to Easy Cooking. So today I'm going to show you how to make a super easy and delicious lemon pound cake. I hope you like it. Remember, you will find the list of ingredients in the description box of this video, and you will also find it in my blog where you can print the whole recipe. Let's get started. Preheat the oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit. In a bowl, we're going to sift the flour together with the salt, the baking powder, and the baking soda. Stir to combine and then set aside for a moment. Now in an electric mixer, we're going to place the sugar together with the lemon zest. Mix on low for about 15 seconds, just so the lemon zest will start releasing its flavor. And then after that, we're going to add in the butter. I'm using 1 cup of butter, unsalted butter, which is 2 sticks of butter. Now we're going to beat this on high speed for about 3 to 4 minutes, or until everything is well combined into a creamy paste. Then after that, stop the mixer and scrape down the size of the bowl if you need to. And now we're going to add in the lemon juice, and we will also add in the lemon extract. Beat for about 30 seconds. Then scrape down the size of the bowl if you need to again. Then set the speed to medium-low, and now we're going to add in the eggs one at a time. And we're going to beat each egg for about 15 seconds before adding the next one. And after you add in the last egg, now beat on high for 1 more minute. Now set the speed to low. And now we're going to add in a third of the flour mixture, and we will also add in a third of the yogurt, and just beat until combined. Do not overmix it. And then after that, we're going to add in another third of the flour, followed by another third of the yogurt. Beat again just until combined. And then we're going to add in the rest of the flour and the rest of the yogurt. Stir until combined. Do not overmix it. And once everything is well combined, now the batter is ready, and this is how it looks when it's done. As you can see, it's a very thick and kind of fluffy batter. That is perfect. Now we're going to pour it into the pan, and here I have my pan. It's already greased with butter and it's also floured. So now we're going to pour the batter into the pan, then tap it a little bit to make sure the batter is sitting at the bottom of the pan. And now we're going to bake it at 350 degrees Fahrenheit for about 60 minutes or until it's done. And this is how it looks when it's done. You will know it's done when you insert a toothpick right in the center and it comes out clean. Now with a small knife, we're going to go all around the edges of the pan, and we're going to let the pound cake cool down like that for about 30 minutes. And then after 30 minutes, now you can transfer it onto a dish or a cooling rack. And just let it cool down completely before adding the glaze. Now to make the glaze, we're going to combine half a cup of powdered sugar with 2 tablespoons of lemon juice. Stir well until combined. And you will get a really nice and thin glaze. If you think it's too thick, feel free to add a little more lemon juice. Now we're going to pour the glaze into a small plastic bag, and then cut the tip of the bag with some scissors. And once the pound cake is cold, now you can add the glaze. And as you can see, I'm just adding the glaze in a zigzag motion, but feel free to decorate it any way that you want. Then if you want, you can sprinkle it with more lemon zest, and if you want, you can also top it with lemon wedges. And that's about it. This pound cake is amazing, so delicious and flavorful, and so soft and fluffy in the inside. It's perfect as a dessert or as breakfast with a cup of milk or coffee. It's so delicious, I really recommend it. Enjoy! To print this and some other delicious recipes, please don't forget to visit my blog. The link is going to be down below. And remember, you will also find me on Facebook, on Twitter, on Instagram, on Pinterest. I'm everywhere, so all the links are going to be down below. If you want, you can check them out. And of course, don't forget to subscribe to the channel to be notified of future updates. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you next time. Bye bye!